to give back, but not really sure how. However, one student over at Heritage High School in Rogers came up with a very unique idea. Send a banner of hope and support. KNWA's Rebecca Jeffrey has the story.
I just thought that saying sorry wasn't enough because they lost something really important in their lives. So maybe I should give something really important back to them.
After talking with her mother about the shooting in Connecticut, freshman Carrie Langstaff decided there was something more she could do for the students and families at Sandy Hook at her own school.
Those parents are never going to have the same Christmas ever again.
This banner reads, "Our thoughts are with you," which now holds 200 signatures and counting, all from fellow classmates and staff at Heritage High School.
I just hope that it gives them hope, and that they'll cherish it and maybe even put it up in the school.
And Carrie wants the banner to send a message to the students at her own school, too.
Christmas spirit, memorable vibes, and to be appreciated.
I'm Rebecca Jeffrey for KNWA Northwest Arkansas News.
If you'd like to write letters of comfort and support to the kids at Sandy Hook Elementary School, feel free to bring or send them into KNWA at the address you see there on your screen. We'll gather them up and forward them to the school for you. You can also find our address on our website, nwahomepage.com.